Video, I'm going to give you 6 steps to trading Mark Minervini VCPs, those volatility contraction patterns with sell rules. Step number 1, identify the volatility contraction pattern. Identify the VCP as we're doing here with GoPro and the price volatility and volume reducing from left to right, especially in the second half of the base. Step number 2 is we want the final price contraction to be in single figures, as that's where we're going to place our stop loss underneath. As you can see over here, our stop loss would be around about 5%. Step number 3 is buying as price moves through the pivot point. For this example, it is $44.86 while setting your stop loss that you had already predefined in step number 2. Step number 4 is selling 1/3 of your position when you achieve a gain that is 2 times your stop loss. So in this instance, we were risking around 5%, so we're going to sell 1/3 of our position at an 11% gain, and we're also then going to move our stop loss up to break even once we have sold that 1/3 of the position to free roll the remaining 2/3 of our trade. Step number 5 is selling another 1/3 of the position on a close below the 10 EMA, which is this black line you see here, which would have resulted in a gain of 88%. Step number 6 is selling the final 1/3 of your position on a close below the 21 EMA, which is this light blue line here, as the intermediate term trend is then usually over, and at a minimum you're going to have to build a new base, and or the stock may just crash outright. So it's extremely efficient, and that is why the sell rules are there of selling 1/3 on a close below the 10 EMA and also on the 21 EMA. If you'd like to learn more about Minervini VCPs, I have several videos on the channel that you'll see pop up now. Please do subscribe to the channel if you're new here and turn on notifications. That way you'll be notified every time I upload an educational video like this. And if you'd like to further your learning even more, then I'd encourage you to go and visit primetradersclub.com, and there'll be links to that in the description and the comment section.